Let's go exploring. As you see, it's a very rainy day today. And yes, it is. This is not my home. I trespassing. I'm serious. And it is very wet out today, and I'm really that is gross. Somebody needs to clean that up. We are going to go past these barns that were made in like the 1700s. Look how old they are. They're just so ugly. So, look at that craftsmanship. Isn't that beautiful? It's so lovely. I mean, how this is so old and stuff. Okay, I'm kind of getting scared, you know. I'm scared. Me scared. Me scared. I'm not sure it's back here, but hopefully some discovery. And when I say discovery, I don't mean animal droppings. Oh my goodness! There must be some crows or some vultures that live up in there. Oh. That's a very old silo. As you can see, this used to be mowed down a lot, obviously, but after the people left, they just abandoned it, must have like in the 1900s. It was clearly abandoned. Look at that barn. The shingles are terrible. Pioneers used to build this. Some wood. Let's go inside. There must be some more discovery in this. Oh, camera guy. You gotta be careful. This is a thorny bush. Well, as you can see, you can't really go in. Oh my goodness, look at all those hornet nests! Holy crap. There's like 5 of them. You scared. There's an old desk in there. There's an old school desk. Interesting. A bit of bird crap on here. It's nasty. Okay. We're going to go around to the other side to see what else we can find in there. Nothing really valuable right now. We really want to look into the money, you know. Oh my god. So this part might be a little more difficult to get through. Okay. There we go. I'll move this out of my way. Oh, here. Ah! Okay. I have no idea what that is. I don't want to know. I'm surprised there's not even a bat or anything in here. More hornet's nest. That's nasty. The insulation really falling out of there. I'm surprised there's not some bird nests in here or something. Just some old wood and stuff. I tell you. Some paint cans. Really old paint cans. Okay. Be careful getting out of here now. Kind of rough. Ah. Well, where else should we go? Let's go this way. There's another path over here that I see used to be mowed out. We should go back in there and see what's over there. Just put a white house up here. Very beautiful scenery, you know. Yeah. So, what's this little house? Okay, guys, I'm kind of scared. I don't know what's in here. You open that one? Who heard it? Yeah. Mold and decay. If I go in, yes. Okay. 6 stupid umbrella. I just see a lot of electrical wires and stuff. I'm not so sure what all this stuff is, but that looks like a noose. Something people hang other people off of. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know what the heck that is. It's like a big saddle or something. Well, we got some brushes here. We got really some old stuff. Okay, I think we should definitely window. No, close that. Close it. Okay. Let's definitely go explore in that barn. There's nothing right there. I'm not gonna walk to the bleed. Look at that tiny hollow. Well, I'm definitely gonna have to go. If you want to see more of this barn, you'll have to catch up with me on the second episode of Let's Go Exploring.